The AIQ training program for dental business growth has been close to 2 years now. We've had some amazing, life-changing stories.
The course so far has been brilliant. It's only morning and I've learnt some amazing gems, stuff I know I'll take back to the practice.
AIQ had a massive effect on my career.
Had a lot of value, given out of the day.
Very engaging, very enthusiastic, and is very good at getting his points across.
So the feedback that we've had is that you guys want more in-depth training on different aspects of the business. So we've put together a unique 12-month program that every single month we will go deep, an immersive live session into every area of the business, from recruitment to marketing to social media, internal marketing and external marketing, and the systems you need to drive revenue.
I've never done anything like this before.
I would highly recommend Nin. He is very dynamic, full of golden nuggets, and I just want to steal him away and bring him and hide him away in my practice just for my benefit.
Oh, it's amazing. It's like a magnet for, for our ears.
So places for the course are limited, so don't wait. Click the link, get your team registered, and I'll see you on the course.